Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to give you a lesson regarding the roundabout. Especially the learners, they are so panic on the roundabout. When they heard the word, okay, next roundabout, turn right, turn left, they start panicking, oh, roundabout. So, even there is a roundabout, the word and the roundabout made there to turn your car around the circle of the roundabout. You don't need to go over the roundabout, just follow the road beside the roundabout. So first thing, when we go straight from the roundabout, you don't need to give any signal. Going straight, no required any signal. Whenever we turning left from the roundabout, you need to give your left signal on. Whenever we turning right or making U-turn from the roundabout, you need to give your right signal on. So when we are approaching to roundabout, going straight, turning left, turning right, you need to worry about your right hand side. If any car approaching roundabout before you or same time, you must have to give your right hand side. So on the roundabout, you looking your vehicle on the right side. Not only vehicle, you need to look at their signals. So some of learner, they see any car, they just stop the car and they keep waiting. So make sure you need to look the signals also, because sometimes when you go roundabout on your right hand side, they have a left signal on. So it means they turning before your car. So then you don't need to wait and you don't need to give way. If they have no signal, it means they're going straight, but still they're going in front of you. So you need to give them way. If they have a right signal, they might turning right or making U-turn. You need to give way because they're going still in front of your car. So make sure looking the signals of the car, not only vehicle, not only truck. Don't just looking only vehicle and truck. Only the signals. Most important, looking the signals. If you see the signals, you already know what is the intention of the other vehicle. They are turning right or not. So there is a roundabout in front of me. So I'll do 1, 2 round from this roundabout. Yeah. So let me start my car. So next roundabout, I gonna make U-turn. So when I even make U-turn, I need to follow the road, not the roundabout. So roundabout, just your guidance to turn around on the roundabout. So let's start now. So I'm going to do U-turn from the roundabout. So first thing, I need to give right signal. So here you can see the road is turning little left. So I need to keep my car on same position, turning little left. Check on the right, no one is there, and I follow the road. I don't have to worry about the roundabout. So this is the guidance only roundabout. So I go on the road. And when you do U-turn, from there, here you leave your steering smoothly, let go backward like this. So when your car is turning, moving your car, your steering will help you to turn your steering. So don't stick with the steering. So it will help you to move your car. So I do one more roundabout soon. So this next roundabout, I'm going to turn right. So when I turning right, same, I need to give my signal right. I'm start to look. I can see no one is coming from there. So I follow the road, not the roundabout. I just follow the road. And when you come to the right side in the middle, steering will help you to go. Look at that. I don't need to force. It will help you, but make sure the condition is if you leave your steering smoothly, plus car has to move. If you stop the car, then steering will not help you. So you need to move your car. So now next roundabout, I'm going straight. So when I go straight, I don't need to give any signal. So look at the road is moving. So I have to move the car smoothly based on the roundabout. So I follow the road only. No one is on the right hand side. And I go straight. So no signal required. And I go direct to the lane. So make sure any roundabout, follow the road. Don't worry about the roundabout, because this roundabout is only for the guidance. So I hope you learn about how to turn, how to do U-turn on the roundabout. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video. Bye for now. Thank you.